So here we saw 8 causes of inequality. First one, uneven distribution of income, of course. Second, structural causes. Third, inflation. Fourth, social factors. Fifth, government deficits. Sixth, lack of public sector spending on social security. Seventh, corruption. And lastly, incomplete land reforms. Relationship with unemployment. Unemployment and inequality are closely related to each other. When considered from a larger point of view, unemployment is the reason and inequality is the outcome. Unemployment results in inequality when it continues for successive cycles. Unemployment, be it cyclical, structural or frictional, adds to the misery of jobless workers. तो जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है वो कारण है और इनइक्वालिटी उसका आउटकम है. So now let's see how inequality is measured. Conventionally, estimates of inequality in India have always been passed on consumption expenditure data from household surveys conducted by National Sample Survey Office. तो conventionally जो inequality है वो कैसे estimate की जाती थी? हर हाउसहोल्ड से ये पूछ के कि उनका कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर क्या है. तो जो नेशनल सैम्पल सर्वे ऑफिस ये सर्वे कंडक्ट करता था उस हिसाब पे इनकम इनइक्वालिटी को मेज़र किया जाता था. सेकेंडली, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट यूजेस डोमेस्टिक डाटा टू ब्रिंग आउट 2 indicators for measuring inequality, one being the Gini coefficient and other being quintile income ratio of average income of the richest 20% of the population to that of the poorest 20%. तो जो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट है वो डोमेस्टिक डाटा यूज़ करती है और 2 indicators बताती है इनइक्वालिटी के लिए. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ गिनी कोफिशिएंट एंड द अदर वन इज़ क्विंटाइल इनकम रेशियो, which is the ratio of average income of the richest 20% of the population to that of the poorest 20%. Now let's see the Gini coefficient or Lorentz curve. So it's quite popular and it has been asked many times in prelims or means. So here is the cumulative share of people from lowest to highest income. And here is the cumulative share of income earned. And this is the line of equality 45 degrees. And this is a Lorentz curve. So let's read it first of all. Lorentz curve, the actual distribution of income curve, is a graphical distribution of wealth developed by Marx Lorentz in 1906. Shows the proportion of income earned by any given percentage of the population. So what it shows is that a particular share of people and the particular share of income that they earn. The line at 45-degree angle shows perfectly equal income distribution and the Lorentz curve shows the degree of inequality. The further away from the diagonal, the more unequal the size of distribution of income. The more broad out a Lorentz curve, the higher the inequality of income in the country. The Gini coefficient. It is derived from Lorentz curve and can be used as an indicator of economic development in a country. Gini coefficient measures the degrees of income inequality. It can vary from 0 degree to 1. 0 means perfect equality and 1 means perfect inequality. Gini coefficient of 0 means that everyone has the same income. Coefficient of 1 represents a single individual receiving all the income. Gini coefficient is equal to area between actual income distribution curve, that is Lorentz curve, and the line of perfect income equality. The Gini coefficient is a Gini index expressed as a number between 0 and 1. Gini coefficient can be used to compare the income distribution of a country over time as well.